How do I sell my home, buy a home, and not be homeless? Or how do I sell a home that needs a bunch of work? These are some of the questions that people present to me when it comes time to moving on to that brighter future. And what I found is some people just merely want me to buy their home, and others would like to just sell their home on the market. Corrine Anderson reminds me, she reached out to me and she wanted me to buy her home instead of listing it. And I said, look, I can list it at this price and have it sold in a weekend, or I could just buy it. And she says, I want you to buy my house because I want to be in Arizona by November 5th. The reason Corrine wanted to be in Arizona by November 5th was she didn't want to have to move over the passes and deal with the snow and all that stuff and be pretty much blazing the Oregon Trail. So I bought her house. She knew it was done for her. She didn't have to deal with inspections, appraisals, buyers walking through her home. And that was a solution. And that's when I learned that certainty is also a currency. Some people just like to wash their hands of their property and be done with it. Other people, they have homes that need work, and I own a construction company, and we sell homes within a weekend. And if there are repairs, we handle them up front, and then the sellers reimburse us on the back end. So there's multiple ways to get your house sold. And having sold over 2,000 homes, I don't care what problem or challenge you have, myself and my team can handle it because we've seen it all. Another gal reached out to me. She had a home and it was just full of stuff, stacked to the ceiling, a hoarder house, which are my favorite, by the way. And we figured out how much she wanted for her house, and we were able to buy it, and she was just done with it, and she was able to stay in it as long as she wanted until she was ready to move on to another place, and we closed it immediately. So if you have a challenge, or you want to get your home sold, or you just want to brainstorm on some ideas, or get a market evaluation to figure out what your property is worth, my team and myself will make it happen. So what I want you to do is send me a message here through Messenger with your name, your address, how much you want for your property, your goals, where you're moving, whatever that might be, however much you want to share with me. And we'll have a quick conversation, 5-minute conversation, to figure out what the outcome is that you're looking for. And I'll figure out how to get you moving on to that brighter future. There's no sales pitch, no costs, no obligation. It's a quick conversation. And then I'll go walk through your house, be in and out of it 10, 15 minutes. And I'll give you some solutions to help you get moving on to that brighter future and achieving your goals, no matter what they may be. And even if you don't work for me, work with me, I'll still help you. I'm just here to contribute. And whether you hire me or we decide to work together or not isn't gonna make a difference whether or not I can make my mortgage payment, what I mean by that is there's no sales pressure, no commission breath. I'm just truly here to help you get unstuck. So what I want you to do before you lose this message in your news feeds is send me a message here through Messenger, or if there's a lead form, fill it out. Or you could even text me at 425-345-4920 to my direct cell phone number, and we'll have a conversation. We'll figure out where your challenges are and how myself and my team can help you get the outcome you are looking for. I look forward to connecting with you. My name is Jeff Latham. I'm the founder of Leatham Realty Unlimited, and I've sold over 2,000 homes in the last 22 years. This is not my first rodeo. I'm the guy, and I have the team that will get this done. We buy homes, we build homes, we develop properties, we fix up homes, we have the best lenders on the planet. We got you covered every which way. We are truly the only one-stop shop where you just talk to me and we got everything handled. I look forward to connecting with you. God bless you. Have a great day.